అందరికీ నమస్కారములు. సర్వేభ్యో నమస్కారः. శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః. Today is our regular classes on Friday. That is Sanskritam language learning by Shri Akella Hemakanta Prabhakar Rao garu. We have already completed 8 classes or 9 classes. And today is the 10th class of the series of classes on Sanskritam learning. And going forward, from Monday onwards, we are going to have another important topic from Mahabharatam, that is Chanukya Niti or Ardhashastram. It is Ardhashastram. After that, we'll have Mahabharatam, Ramayanam. Then a few more topics like Vastu, and also on 28th, we may have Ayurvedam. Like this, a series of classes, very interesting topics are going to come. Now, let us start this session with paying our respects to our country by reciting Vande Mataram by Challa Chittibabu Garu. Let us request Challa Chittibabu Garu to recite Vande Mataram, please.
वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्यश्यामलां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनीं पुल्लकुसुमिता द्रुमदलशोभिनीं सुहासिनीं सुमधुरभाषिणीं सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम्.
వందే మాతరం. ధన్యవాదములండి చల్లా చిట్టిబాబు గారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. Now, let us request Vasundharaji to chant Prarthana, please.
सर्वेभ्यो नमस्कारः. 1 minute meditation, 3 times Omkar, followed by prayer. ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणस्पत आनः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् ॐ श्रीमहागणाधिपतये नमः। ॐ प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती श्रीनामभित्र्यवतु। ॐ श्रीमहासरस्वती नमः। गुरुरेव गतिः गुरुमेव भजे गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः मतिरस्ति गुरौ मां पाहि गुरो ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पाद शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम् शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतङ्गमय। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। मातृदेवो भव पितृदेवो भव आचार्यदेवो भव अतिथिदेवो भव। ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः।
ఓం శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః. హరి ఓం. ధన్యవాదములండి వసుంధర గారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. నౌ లెట్ us రిక్వెస్ట్
బాబు గారు ఆయన సంస్కృత గీతం పాడతారండి వెంకటనారాయణ గారు.
ఓకే ఓకే ఓకే. వెంకటనారాయణ గారు ప్లీజ్ రిసైట్ సంస్కృత శ్లోకం.
కేయూరాన విభూషయంతి పురుషం హారాన చంద్రోజ్వలాః న స్నానం న విలేపనం న కుసుమం నాలంకృతా మూర్ధజాః వాణ్యేకా సమలంకరోతి పురుషం యా సంస్కృతా ధార్యతే क्षीयन्ते खलु भूषणानि सततं वाग्भूषणं भूषणं वाग्भूषणं भूषणं.
ధన్యవాదములండి. చాలా మంచి శ్లోకము చెప్పారు. నౌ లెట్ us go for webinar. Let us request Sri H.P. Rao garu to start the session, please.
हरि ओम. नमस्कारः सर्वेभ्यः. अद्य परिचयकक्षारम्भं कुर्मः. Today we'll start the परिचयकक्षा third lesson. Today third lesson or fourth lesson? Third lesson. जयतु भारतम जयतु संस्कृतम. Already Sanskrit Pradhana is over. Let us go now. The sharing of the lesson. Let us sing the lesson. So, today's lesson is fourth section of the Parchaya Bhagam. Visheshana Visheshya Sarupyam, that is relation between adjective and noun forms. Noun or pronoun also. This Visheshyam is called substantives and Visheshanam is called adjectives in English. The noun and pronoun, a word, Shabdaha, which speaks about name. Now, before that, let us understand what is a sentence. A sentence, what are the elements in a sentence? There will be karta, there will be first kriya, work, action will be there. For that action, who is doing that action, karta will be there. And then the karta on whose that action is being done, the affected party is the karma will be there. So karta, karma, kriya, three are the three sections, out of which the kriya is the dhatu portion of the kriya portion, that is verb portion. And the karta and karma are shabda portion, words. These are the words. These things are either nouns or pronouns, could be. And when we use this karta and karma shabdas, words, sometimes we qualify them with some attribute. Tall, long, great, bad, good, like that. They are all adjectives. So we are qualifying that person or object or an article or anything that we are using for the usage of karta or karma. Those words will have some qualifying remarks. Those qualifying remarks are called attributes also. The attributes of that person or an article or a thing. Those things are called adjectives. Guna dharma. A word that is indicating the guna or a dharma of a particular thing or an article or a person is called adjective Visheshanam in Sanskrit. This Visheshanam, for which it will be used? It will be used for either noun form of word or a pronoun form of word. When that noun form of word or pronoun form of word is called Visheshyam. So Visheshyam is the origin. On that Visheshyam basis, Visheshanam will be there. So Visheshanam should follow Visheshyam naturally, because the Visheshanam indicates the quality of a Visheshyam. So Visheshanam and Visheshyam should be equal in all respects so that we understand they both have the same spirit of level in the sentence. When we understand a sentence, which are the words pertaining to karta, that we have to separate. We have to words pertaining to karma, we have to separate. And then we have to pertaining to kriya, we have to separate. Then only we will understand the sentence properly. So when we are separating karta in a kartari prayoga vakyam, what we will do? Karta will be in which vibhakti? Prathama vibhakti. So its attribute, its qualifying remark, its adjective also should be in Prathama vibhakti. So when we see a sentence, all the Prathama vibhakti words will group together and qualify them as karta. And when we take Ditya vibhakti words in the sentence, they are belong to karma in kartari prayoga vakyam. This karma will be in Ditya vibhakti. So all the Ditya vibhakti words will group together and make them as karma. In the remaining are kriya and other words which are supporting to this sentence, to these words. But basically, the karta and karma are being used with their qualifying adjectives to complete the meaning of that word. So for that purpose, to understand better in future, when you are understanding the slokas and making it as sentences in Anvaya Krama, etc., Anvaya Rachana, etc., this concept should be very clear to us. Unless this concept is very clear, the next step of Anvaya Krama will not be able to understand by you. So be careful in understanding this. So what are the qualities of a noun or pronoun? These things will be words. They will have 7 vibhaktis, 3 lingas, and 3 vachanas. The nouns and pronouns will be all in 7 vibhaktis, 3 lingas, and 3 vachanas, right? So similarly, for any noun or pronoun, the Visheshanam will be in all 3 lingas, 3 vachanams, and 7 vibhaktis. That is the quality of Visheshanam. So now, how they are behaving, let us understand. Let us understand how the formation of sentences are made. Now let me read out the lesson. A word, shabda, which speaks about name of a person or thing is called noun, namavachaka shabda. A word, shabda, which is used in place of noun, namavachaka shabda is called pronoun or sarvanam shabda. Ramaha, Sita, Bala, Balika, Ushchika, Lata, Agraja, Anuja, Mata, Pita, etc. are all nouns, namavachaka shabda. Saha, sa, tat, evam, iyam, idam, Eshaha, Esha, Etat, Kaha, Ka, Kim, Aham, Tvam, Sarvaha, etc. are pronouns, Sarvanam Shabda. This word Shabda is also termed in Sanskritam as Visheshyam. These are called as substantives in English. Substantives in English. Adjective. A word Shabda which speaks about the qualities of properties of noun or namvachaka Shabda or a pronoun or a sarvanam Shabda is called an adjective. This word in Sanskritam is called Visheshanam. These are called adjectives in English.
గురుగారు ఏడి జేఈ అని సెట్ చేసేయండి. అది జేయు అని పడింది పైన.
అండి ఎక్కడ?
దిస్ వర్డ్ ఈస్ ఇన్ సంస్కృతం ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ విశేషం. దీస్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ అడ్జెక్టివ్స్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ ఉంది, చూసారా ఈ పేరాలో?
These are called adjectives in
అదే
English. Substantives.
అడ్జెక్టివ్ స్పెల్లింగ్ సరిగ్గా లేదండి.
జీ ఉండాలి కదా.
అడ్జెక్టివ్ జేఈ కరెక్షన్ లో వచ్చిందండి.
Adjective. I already made letters there. Correct.
Right.
In English. While making sentences or vakyas, we use nouns, pronouns, and adjective to convey complete meaning. Let us learn how to use these words Sabda and the relation between them. We use these words Sabdas in 3 genders Linga, 3 numbers Vachanani, and 7 cases Vibhaktaya. 3 genders Linga, male Pullinga, female Strilinga, and neutral Napumsakalinga. 3 numbers Vachanani singular Ekavachanam, dual Dvivachanam, plural Bahuvachanam. 7 cases Pradma Vibhakti, Ditya Vibhakti, Tritiya Vibhakti, Chaturthi Vibhakti, Panchami Vibhakti, Sashti Vibhakti, Saptami Vibhakti. When we use these words Sabdaha, when we use these words Sabdaha while framing sentences, that is Vakyani, we must follow certain rules and relations between them. The basic relation between noun and pronoun and the adjective is called Visheshana Sarupyam. Visheshya Visheshana Sarupyam. This rule is that the rule is that gender lingaha, number vachanam, and case vibhakti of both Visheshya and Visheshanam shall be the same. That is the base rule. Linga, Vachana, Vibhakti should be same for both. That means in forming sentences, while using nouns and pronouns, that is Visheshyani, and adjectives, that is Visheshanani, we must use same gender, Lingaha, number Vachanam, case Vibhakti for both Visheshyam and Visheshanam. There is a slokam for this. Yal lingam yad vachanam yacha vibhakti visheshyasya. Visheshyasya means vishesham, the of visheshyam. Of visheshyam, yal lingaha, whatever lingaha is there. Yad vachanam, whatever vachanam is there. Yacha vibhakti, whatever vibhakti is there. Tanlingaha, tanlingam, that lingam only. Tadvachanam only. Sacha vibhakti, avibhakti only. Visheshanasya. So who is the originator here? Who is the leader? Visheshyam. And Visheshanam is following him. So Visheshyam, in whichever way it is to be expressed in the sentence, the same way its Visheshanam also to be expressed. In the same linga, in the same vachanam, in the same vibhakti. That is the rule. This is understood correctly, then you will understand everything properly. Whatever is the gender number case of the Visheshyam, so is the gender number case of the Visheshanam. Now example, Udaharana. Neelaha Meghaha, dark cloud. Meghaha is the Pradhama Vibhakti, Ekavachanam, Pullinga. Its Visheshanam is Neelaha, blue Megha. So Neelaha Shabdam is used in Pullinga Rupam and Ekavachanam, Pradhama Vibhakti. Same lingam, same vachanam, same vibhakti. Neelaha Meghaha. So in this sentence, the word Neela qualifies Megha. It is called Visheshanam, adjective. Megha is the Visheshyam, noun, substantive. Note the following rule regarding the noun-adjective relationship. Visheshana Visheshya Bhavaha. Visheshya Visheshana Bhavaha. Next example. Uttamaha Balakaha. Here Balakaha Pullinga Shabdam. Uttamaha is the adjective to that. It is used in Uttamaha Pullinga Rupam. But when we use this Karta, lady, girl, Balika, Strilinga Rupam. If that is used, we have to tell that Balika is also Uttama. Can we say Uttamaha? No. Because Uttama is Pullingam, Balika is Strilingam. So we have to use Uttama Shabdam in Strilinga Rupam. That means adjective will have in all the three lingas. Uttama is the root word. That root word will have in Strilinga Rupam Uttama. Uttama Balika. Pradhama Vibhakti Ekavachanam Strilinga Rupas. Uttamaha Balakaha Pradhama Vibhakti Ekavachanam Pullinga Rupas. Similarly, Uttamam Pustakam. This is the Napumsaka Siddham. Pustakam Napumsaka Siddham. So that's Visheshana is Uttamam. Uttamaha, Uttama, Uttamam. So then Uttama Shabdaha has got three Linga Rupas. Uttamaha, Uttama, Uttamam. Whereas when we are using Vishesham, you cannot use Strilinga here, Uttamaha. You cannot use Pullinga for Uttama. You cannot use Strilinga or Pullinga for Uttama. For Uttamaha, you would use only Pullinga Rupam. For Uttamaha, you would use only Strilinga Rupam, Vishesham. And Uttamam, you would use only Napumsaka Rupa Vishesham. Reverse way. Actually, the reverse way. In these sentences, Vakyani, the words Shabdaha, Balakaha, Balika, and Pustakam are in this masculine Pullinga, feminine Strilinga, and in neutral Napumsakalinga. Accordingly, the adjective Uttama same gender. Therefore, if you write Uttamaha Pustakam or Uttamam Balakaha would be grammatically wrong. You cannot interchange. Please understand this. In next section 1 Abhyasa. Neelaha Megha Chalati. Here Neelaha Pullingam, Megha Pullingam. Chalati Ekavachanam. Kriya. This is Chalati is Kriya. Chalati. Kaha Chalati? Megha Chalati. Kidrishaha Megha. What type of Megham it is? Kidrishaha. Kidrishaha Megha is the question for that. Kidrishaha Megha Neelaha. So next, let us go to next. Unnataha Narikela Vrikshaha Asti. Asti. Kaha Asti? Narikela Vrikshaha Asti. Narikela Vrikshaha Kidrishaha Asti. Unnataha Asti. Sa Chatura Balika. Balika. Strilinga Shabdam. So what is the question we have to put now? Balika Asti. Asti is not there here. Sa Chatura Balika Asti. Ka Asti? Balika Asti. Balika Asti is Ajahara in this sentence. We already know Ajahara means. That means which is required a word and that's not there. We incorporate that. It is called Ajahara. Here verb is Ajahara. That is Asti. Sa Chatura Balika Asti. Ka Asti? Balika Asti. Kidrishaha Balika Asti. Chatura Balika Asti. Next. Sundaram Nagaram Bharate Asti. Sundaram Nagaram Bharate Asti. Atra Nagaram is the word, Visheshyam. And Sundaram is the Visheshanam. Both are in Napumsakam. Nagara Asti. Kim Asti? The question is Kim Asti. Here earlier is Ka Asti. Balika. That is Strilinga. Ka Asti. Balika Asti. Earlier to that, Kaha Asti. Narikela Vrishtaha Asti. That is Pullinga. Question. Here when Strilinga question comes, Ka Asti. Balika Asti. When Napumsakam comes, Kim Asti. Nagaram Asti. Kidrisham Nagaram Asti. Earlier when we say Balika, Kidrishi Balika Asti. It's not Kidrishaha Balika Asti. Kidrishi Balika Asti. When we say Narikela Vrishtaha, Kidrishaha Narikela Vrishtaha Asti. Unnataha Narikela Vrishtaha Asti. Kidrishaha. Here Kidrishi. Here Kidrisham. Kidrisham Nagaram Asti. Sundaram Nagaram Asti. So like that, all these things are used like that. Katara Stri Vepate. Katara Stri. Kataraha Katara. Kataram. Kataraha for Pullinga Shabdam. Kataraha for Patara Strilinga Shabdam. Kataram for Pullinga Napumsaka Shabdam. Here Strilinga Shabdam is used. Sa Malinam Vastram Chalayati. Malinam Vastram. Vastram Napumsakam. So Malinam Napumsaka Rupam was used. But Malinam has got three rupas. Malinaha Malina Malinam. Similarly, Vrikshe Uttamam Phalam Asti.
सर वेपति आत्मनेपदी सर
Yes. Vrikshe Uttamam Phalam Asti. Here Phalam is Napuskam. Uttamam is Napuskam. Uttamaha, Uttama, Uttama. Three rupas. Similarly, Deshe Purusha, Udara Purusha, Deshe Viralaha. Purushaha Pullinga Rupam. Udaraha Pullinga Rupam. Udaraha, Udara, Udaram. Three rupas. Then Vidheya Chatraha Atra Asti. Chatraha Pullinga Rupam. Its Visheshanam Vidheyaha. Strilinga Rupam Vidheya. Napuska Sabdasya Vidheyam. Similarly, Amba Yesha Uttama Satika Asti. Uttama Satika. Satika Strilinga Rupam. Uttama Strilinga Rupam. Chitraha Balikaha. Pullinga Rupam Pullinga Rupam. Samichina Lekhani. Strilingam Strilingam. Bhagavad Gita. Uttamaha Vicharaha Vicharaha. Pullingam Pullingam. Sundari Balika. Sundaraha Balakaha. Sundari Balika. Sundaram Nagaram. Sundaraha Sundari Sundaram. For Sundara Sabdasya, the Pullinga Strilingam Sabdam different. Sundaraha Sundari Sundaram. Sundaraha Balakaha. Sundari Balika. Sundaram Nagaram. Panditaha Shikshakaha. Panditaha Pandita Panditam. So three rupas. So in the above sentences, what can we use the noun, pronoun, the adjective in same gender, linga, and they are in Ekavachanam singular form. All are in Ekavachanam singular form. All are in pulling. All are in different lingas. All are in nouns and pronouns and Visheshanams that we have used, and all are in Pradhama Vibhakti. That is another important point. Now we have to go to Bahuvachanam type of things you should see now. We are using Bahuvachana words. Sundaraha Tarunaha. Here Tarunaha Bahuvachana Sabda. So Sundara Sabda se Bahuvachana Rupa is used. Sundaraha Sundarau Sundaraha. Balaha Balau Balaha. Just like the Sundara Akaranta Sundara Sabda. Akaranta Sundara Sabda. Sundaraha Sundarau Sundaraha. So when you are using Sundaraha, that means what? The Vishesham is in Bahuvachanam, that is Tarunaha. Tarunaha, if I use Tarunaha, it will be Sundaraha. If I use Tarunau, I will use it here, Sundarau. When I am using Tarunaha, I will use Sundaraha. So all are like that. Sundaraha Balaka, Tarunaha. Chaturaha Balakaha. Chatura Balaka. Chature Balike. Chaturaha Balakaha. Sorry, Balika. Balika hundal kada. Balaka, this is Pullingam only. Chaturaha Balakaha. Chaturau Balakau. Chaturaha Balakaha. This is also Pullinga Rupa only. Just Kruraha Mrugaha. This is also Pullingam only. Both are in Pullingam, Bahuvachan Rupam. Then Uttamani Pushpani. Both are in Napuska Rupam, Bahuvachan Rupam. Similarly, Dushtaha Choraha. Both are in Pullinga Rupam, Bahuvachan Rupam. Pradhama Vibhakti again. All are in Pradhama Vibhakti. Dirgaha Lataha. This is Strilinga Rupam. Lata Sabdas Bahuvachanam, Lataha. Dirgha is the Lata Sabdas Visheshan. Lata, Dirgha Lata, Ekavachan Rupam. Dirghe Late, Divachan Rupam. Dirghaha Lataha, Bahuvachan Rupam. Ujjayane, Udyane, Uttamani Sasyani Vardhante. Napuska Siddham. Uttamam Sasyam, Uttame Sasye, Uttamani Sasyani. Jivane Anekani Kastani Bhavanti. Anekani Kastani. Anekam Kastam, Ekavachanam. Aneke Kaste, Divachanam. Anekani Kastani Bahuvachanam. So Grandhalaye Samichino Grandhaustaha. Ekavachanam Samichinaha Grandhaha. Divachanam Samichino Grandhau. Bahuvachanam Samichinaha Grandhaha. Buddhimachau Balike. Buddhimati Balika. Ekavachanam. Buddhimachau Balike. Divachan Rupam. Similarly, Karyakrame Dakshaha Karyakartaraha. Dakshaha Karyakartaha. Karta. Dakshaha Karyakarta. Ekavachanam. Dakshaha Karyakartaraha Bahuvachanam. Rukaran Sabdam. Karta, Rukaran Sabdam, just like Pita, Karta will be there. Karta, Pita, like that. Rukaran Sabdam. Karya Kartaraha Bahuvachanam. Mataraha, Pitaraha, Karya Kartaraha, like that. Dakshaha Karya Karta, Daksha Karya Kartaraha. Alasau Balakau. Alasaha Balakaha, Alasau Balakau, Dvachanam. వృక్షే ఉత్తమే తప్పు చెప్పాను వృక్షే వృక్షే ఉత్తమే పుష్పే స్థః భూతం ద్వివచన రూపం ఉత్తమం పుష్పం ఉత్తమే పుష్పే చతురే యువత్యౌ చతురే యువత్యౌ చతురా యువతి చతురే యువత్యౌ ద్వివచన రూపం మార్గే గచ్చతః భో శౌచిక సుందరాణి వస్త్రాణి సంతి ఖలు సుందరాణి వస్త్రాణి సుందరం వస్త్రం సుందరాణి వస్త్రాణి ఏకవచనం బహువచన రూపాస్. So in the above sentences, Vakyani, Tarunaha, Balakaha, etc. in plural, Bahuvachan Rupam. Balike, Grandava, etc. are in dual Divachan Rupam. They are in substantives Visheshyani. Similarly, Sundaraha, Chaturaha, Buddhimachau, Samichino, etc. are in adjectives Visheshanani. These adjectives are the number of nouns and pronouns they qualify. If noun and pronoun Sheshyas is in the dual number, the adjective Visheshana also in the dual number Divachanam. And if the noun pronoun Vishesham is in plural Bahuvachanam, the Divachanam also in the plural number. Besides, these two adjectives and nouns also agree in case. Means Vibhakti. Now we have seen Vachanam only. But what about Vibhakti? Vibhakti also it agrees. It should be same Vibhakti in both places. Shikshakaha Vinitan Chatran Ahvayati. Chatran Ditya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. Chatraha Shabdasya Ditya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam is what? Chatran. Chatraha Chatrau Chatraha Pradhama Vibhakti. Chatram Chatrau Chatran Ditya Vibhakti. Means the Chatraha. So Chatran. So how are the Chatran? Vinita Chatran. Vinita Chatraha. What is the Pradhama Vibhakti ekavachanam for this? Vinitaha Chatraha. When you use this in Ditya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam, how do you use it? Vinitan, Vinitaha Shabdasya, Ditya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam, Vinitan, Vinitaha, Vinitau, Vinitaha, Vinitam, Vinitau, Vinitan. So Vinitan, Chatran. Similarly, Uttameshu, Janeshu, Saptami Vibhakti Prayoga. Jana Shabdasya, Saptami Vibhakti Bahuvachanam, Janeshu. So Uttama Shabdasya, Saptami Vibhakti Bahuvachanam,
Kamita
Uttam.
Mahodaya, first example, this Ahvayati is in Pratama, this is in Pratham Purusha. So this follows according because Shikshakaha is in Pratham Purusha, Ekavachanam, this is also in Ekavachanam. Is it correct, sir?
Yeah, because that is following Karta. Here is in Ditya Vibhakti, Karma.
No,
This is-
Shikshakaha is
Karta is karma.
Shikshakaha is Karta.
Karta.
So
So,
Ahvayati also follows according to him.
yeah, that is Kartari Prayoga Vakyam. That's why
Kartari
the
Prayoga.
Kriya follows Karta, not these things.
Not these things. Okay.
Not concerned to this. So here the question will be like this. Ahvayati. Kaha ahvayati? Shikshakaha ahvayati. Kan ahvayati? Kshatran ahvayati. Kidrishan Chatran ahvayati. Vinitan Chatran ahvayati. Thank you for reminding me. So that's how you have to understand this sentence. So ahvayati is the kriya, and this kriya, when you put a question, what you put question here? Who is karta? Kaha ahvayati? Shikshakaha ahvayati. Kan ahvayati? Whom he is calling? Chatran. Ditya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. Kidrishan Chatran. What type of Chatras are there? Vinitan. So similarly, both are in same Vibhakti, same Bahuvachanam, same Linga. So Janaha Uttameshu Janeshu Viswasanti. Here Viswasanti, Bahuvachanam. के विश्वसन्ति? जनाः. केषु विश्वसन्ति? In whom they have विश्वासम्? In whom they have विश्वासम्? जनेषु. कीदृशेषु जनेषु? कीदृशेषु जनेषु. Please observe. The question prayogam what I am doing is also in putting the same vibhakti. कीदृशेषु जनेषु उत्तमेषु. Earlier, कीदृशान् छात्रान् विनीतान्. So, उदयमानस्य सूर्यस्य किरणानि दृष्ट्वा जनाः हृष्यन्ति. हृष्यन्ति. के हृष्यन्ति? जनाः. किं कृत्वा हृष्यन्ति? दृष्ट्वा. कानि दृष्ट्वा? किरणानि. कस्य किरणानि? सूर्यस्य. कीदृशस्य सूर्यस्य? What type of Surya it is at that time? Udayamanasya, rising sun. Udayamanasya Suryasya Kiranani Drishtva Janaha Vrishayanti. So this is a relatively bigger sentence. So next section 2. Section 2 or section 3? This already, all this comes under section 1. Okay. Now go to section 2. Here we see different vibhakti prayogams here. Vinaya Seelam Chatram, Ditya Bhakti prayogam. Sarve Icchanti, the Karta and Kriya. Ujjamane Janataha Vrukshaha Santi, Unnataha Urshaha Santi. Ujjane Unnataha Vrukshaha Santi, Bahuvachan prayogam. It is Karta prayogam. Here Karta, Unnataha Vrukshaha Karta Santi. Here it is in Karta prayogam here. Here Karma prayogam. Vinaya Seelam Chatram, Sarve Icchanti. Here Karma prayogam. Sukhaha madhurani phalani khadanti. This is karma prayogam. Madhurani phalani, ditya bhakti prayogam. Naryaha laguna kandukena kridanti. Naryaha kridanti. Ke kridanti naryaha. Kena kridanti kandukena. Tritya bhakti prayogam. The question is kena kridanti. Kandukena. Kandukam kandukena. Kidrishena kandukena. Laguna. Lagu kandukam. Lagu ukarant sabdam. So it should be Tritiya Bhakti for ukarant sabdam laguna. So you should not follow just like similar kena. It should not be kena here also. This is lagu is ukarant sabdam. So its Tritiya Bhakti is laguna. Kanduka sabdam akarant sabdam. Its Tritiya Bhakti kandukena. So its Tritiya Bhakti is to be used for this. Its Tritiya Bhakti is to be for this, for Lagu. Guru Guruna, Lagu Laguna, Shambhu Shambhuna, Vishnu Vishnuna, Laguna Kandukena. Tritiya Bhakti equation prayog. So Balika Dvitiya Lekanya Likhati. Balika Likhati. That is sentence. But
Mahodaya, in fourth example, Naryaha is in singular, sir. So Kridati must be there, is it not?
Narya is Bahuvachan. Narya Kridanti.
Naryaha Bahuvachan. Nari, Naryaha. Correct, sir. Correct.
Balika Dirghaya Lekanya Likhati. Dirghaya Lekanya, Tritiya Bhakti prayogam. Dirgha Lekhani, Strilinga Rupam. Dirgha Lekhani. Dirgha Shabdasya Tritiya Bhakti, Rama Shabdasya Tritiya Bhakti. Rama Shabdasya Tritiya Ramaya, Sita Sitaya, Lata Lataya, Dirgha Dirghaya. Lekhani Shabdasya Ikaran Shabdam. Ikaran Shabdasya Tritiya Bhakti, Gauri Shabdam. Gauri Gauriya, Lekhani Lekhanya. So Dirghaya Lekhanya Likhati. So Sarvaihi Nutanaihi Pushpaihi Archati. Sarvai Archanti. It should be Archanti. Sarve Archanti should be Akaram. Nakaram should be here. Archanti. Wrong here. Sarve Nutanaihi Pushpaihi Archanti. Ke Archanti, Sarve Archanti. This is Karta. But with what they Archanti? With Pushpaihi. Opposite Sabda. Tritiya Bhakti Bahuvachan prayog. For its Nutanam Pushpam. Nutanam Pushpam. Nutane Pushpe. Nutanaihi Pushpaihi. Nutanaihi Pushpaihi. बहुवचन रूपं तृतीया विभक्ति बहुवचन रूपं फॉर नपुंसक शब्दम् अध्यापकाः उत्तीर्णेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः प्रशस्तिपत्रं प्रयच्छन्ति चतुर्थी विभक्ति प्रयोगं छात्रेभ्यः प्रशस्तिपत्रं इस् बीइंग गिवन फॉर whom छात्रेभ्यः कीदृशेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः कीदृशेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः always remember that कीदृश शब्दं should be used in that abhakti that we are going to get answer कीदृशेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः उत्तीर्णेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः तो जनाः नद्यां मलिनानि वस्त्राणि क्षालयन्ति I am introducing the Anvaya Rachana also in itself. Please understand these concepts which I am saying, the question and answer session is the way how you should understand a slokam or a vakyam. When you are reading a sentence, in Pravesa also I told in stories by putting question answers. So that's how that question answers way only you can understand this prayogams, how it goes. So janaha najyaha malinani vastrani chalayanti. Chalayanti. Ke chalayanti? Janaha. Kani chalayanti vastrani. Kidrisini vashyani vastrani malinani. Kutra chalayanti? Kutra chalayanti?
Nadyam, sir.
Nadyam. Nadyam which vibhakti? Saptami vibhakti. Nadyam chalayanti. But here malinani is visheshanam, vastrani is the visheshyam. Sarve katinat atapat. Atapat is wrong. Sarve khatinat atapat is interchanged here. Atapat tapyanti. Panchami vibhakti prayogam. Unnatat vrukshat phalani patanti. This is also Panchami vibhakti prayogam. Similarly, Vishale Kridangane Sarve Kridanti. This is Saptami vibhakti prayogam. Kridangane Sarve Kridanti. Kutra Kridanti? Kridangane. क्रीडांगणे क्रीडांगणं क्रीडांगणे कीदृशे क्रीडांगणे विशाले क्रीडांगणे सर्वेषु स्थलेषु देवः अस्ति हियर सप्तमी विभक्ति बहुवचन प्रयोगं केषु अस्ति स्थलेषु देवः अस्ति कः अस्ति देवः अस्ति केषु अस्ति वेर देयर स्थलेषु कीदृशेषु स्थलेषु सर्वेषु सकलस्य प्रपंचस्य षष्ठी विभक्ति प्रयोगं सिमिलरली सुंदरात् नगरात् इज अगेन पंचमी विभक्ति प्रयोगं भयंकरे अरण्ये सप्तमी विभक्ति प्रयोगं शिक्षकः चतुरेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः उपायनं ददाति when ददाति comes it will be चतुर्थी विभक्ति this is चतुर्थी विभक्ति प्रयोगं युद्धे धीराः योद्धाः युध्यन्ते दिस इज प्रथमा विभक्ति प्रयोगं बहुवचनं माता दिस इज रॉन्ग हियर अगेन माता उत्तमेन शाकेन पाकं करोति तृतीया विभक्ति प्रयोगं दीर्घालता वृक्षम् अवलम्ब्य वर्धते प्रथमा विभक्ति प्रयोगं दीर्घालता महत्यां गुहायां सिंहः वसति गुहा श्रीलिंग शब्दं सप्तमी विभक्ति प्रयोगं एकवचनं महत्यां गुहायां सो हियर वी कैन फाइंड दिस शब्दः छात्रं द्वितीया विभक्तिः वृक्षः प्रथमा विभक्तिः कंदुकेन और विशेष substantives they are in different cases. Similarly, the adjectives visheshana are those words Vinayasilam, Unnataha, Laguna are in the same case, etc. Hence, we can conclude the rule. Adjectives Visheshanani should be in the same gender, linga, and number, vachanam, and case vibhakti as the noun, pronoun is substantial Vishesham, they qualify. Section 3. Now, let us know how we write numbers. Now, how to write numbers? When we give a number as a how many people are there, then we use numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Then we use numbers how they should be written. तत्र एकः बालकः क्रीडति. एकः पुल्लिङ्गरूपं. क्रीडति. कः क्रीडति? बालकः क्रीडति. कति बालकाः क्रीडन्ति? एकः. So एकः पुल्लिङ्गरूपं, बालकः पुल्लिङ्गरूपं. So एका बालिका विद्यालयं गच्छति. का गच्छति? बालिका गच्छति. कति बालिकाः गच्छन्ति? एका बालिका गच्छति. एका स्त्रीलिङ्गरूपं. So एकं फलं नष्टम् अस्ति. किमस्ति? नष्टमस्ति. किं नष्टमस्ति? फलं नष्टमस्ति. कति फलानि नष्टं सन्ति? कति फलानि नष्टं सन्ति? एकं फलं नष्टमस्ति. त्रयः चोराः मार्गे धावन्ति. के धावन्ति? चोराः. कति चोराः धावन्ति? त्रयः. त्रीणि शब्दस्य पुल्लिङ्गरूपं. त्रयः चोराः. बहुवचनं प्रथमाविभक्तिरूपं. त्रयः त्रीणि शब्दस्य पुल्लिङ्ग नपुंसकरूपं त्रीणि. त्रयः पुल्लिङ्गरूपं. त्रयः चोराः धावन्ति. तिस्रः महिलाः स्त्रीलिङ्गरूपं. त्रीणि शब्दस्य स्त्रीलिङ्गरूपं तिस्रः. तिस्रः महिला 3 लेडीस्. तिस्रः महिलाः विपणिं गतवत्यः. काः गतवत्यः? महिलाः गतवत्यः. कति महिलाः गतवत्यः? तिस्रः. सो सभाभवने 3 चित्राणि सन्ति. नपुंसकरूपं. चित्राणि नपुंसकं. सो कति चित्राणि सन्ति? 3 चित्राणि सन्ति. 3. 1, 2, 3 चित्राणि. 3. सो विद्यालये 4 अध्यापकाः पाठयन्ति. पुल्लिङ्गरूपं. 4 अध्यापकाः. 4 अध्यापकाः बहुवचनरूपं. सो अद्य चतस्रः विद्यार्थिन्यः कक्ष्यां न आगताः. टुडे 4 गर्ल्स् were not come. सो चतस्रः विद्यार्थिन्यः बहुवचनरूपं. विद्यार्थिन्यः. चत्वारि चतस्रः. 4 नपुंसकरूपं. 4 पुल्लिङ्गरूपं. चतस्रः स्त्रीलिङ्गरूपं. 4 फलानि वृक्षात् पतितानि. हियर् नपुंसकरूपं. 4 fruits fallen from the tree. 4 फलानि प्रथमाविभक्तिप्रयोगं. Like similarly द्वौ बालकौ पुल्लिङ्गरूपं. द्वे is नपुंसकरूपं. द्वे is नपुंसकरूपं. द्वौ is the पुल्लिङ्गरूपं. द्वे बालकौ 2 boys भाषणं कृतवन्तौ. द्वे बालिके स्त्रीलिङ्गरूपं. 2 girls गीतं गतवत्यौ. यं द्वे फले मह्यं द्वे पत्रे आगते. I got 2 letters. నా కొరకు I got 2 letters. ఆగబడినవి. ద్వే పత్రే నపుంసకరూపం. So now we understand the ekam, dve, trini, chatvari are not just one lingam, they are in 3 lingas. Ekaha, dvau, trayaha, chatvaraha. Pullingarupas. Eka, dve, tisraha, chatasraha, strilingarupas. Ekam, dve, trini, chatvari, napuskarupas. For all the 4 numbers. Now, when we use these things in different vibhaktis, these numbers also will have different vibhaktis. In Pravesha, we learned this. Eka shabdasya 7 vibhaktis, Eka shabdasya 7 vibhaktis, Ekam shabdasya 7 vibhaktis we learned. Similarly, Dvau shabdasya 7 vibhaktis, Dve shabdasya 7 vibhaktis. Like that, we learned all. Trayaha also we learned. Trini also we learned. Satwari also we learned. All the 7 vibhaktis we learned for all these 4 in Pravesha Patham. In these things, in different vibhaktis, how they should be used. You can see here. Karmakaraha Ujjane ekam vruksham kattitavan. Ekam vruksham. Ditya bhakti prayogam. Here. Then Vyadha ekena banena Pakshinam Maritavan. Ekena Banina. This is to be highlighted, not that. Ekena Banina. Pakshinam Maritavan. This is in Tritiya Bhakti Prayagam here. For Bana Shabdasya, Tritiya Bhakti, we say number of Banas. How many? One Bana only. Similarly, Grame Ekasmin Gruhe. Both are Saptami Prayagam. Karakrame Ekaya Balikaya. Strilinga Rupam. Pradhama Bhakti Prayagam. Next. Tritiya Bhakti Prayagam. Shamitam. Karakrame Ekaya Balikaya Geetam Giyate. Tritiya Bhakti Prayagam. Ekasyaam Kapatikayaam Kevalam Kridakani Santi. Is Saptami Bhakti Prayagam. Pradhanamantri Tribihi Janaihi Saha Vartalapam Kurtavan. Tritiya Bhakti Prayagam Bahuvachanam. Triyanam Pustakanam Namani Saha Samyak Gnatavan. Sashti Bhakti Bahuvachanam Prayagam. Triyanam Pustakanam. So Nagare Trishu Staleshu Saptami Bhakti Bahuvachanam Prayagam. Kolahalam Pravurtaha. Kandole Chatvari Phalani Uttamani Santi. This is Phalani Santi. Chatvari Phalani. Chatvari is the Visheshana for Phalani. So Bahuvachan Prayogam in Pradhama Bhakti only. Chatvari Phalani Uttamani Santi. Chatvari Phalani Santi. So Chaturaha Balakan Mata Ahutavati.
महोदय कंडोले सप्तमी विभक्ति महोदय कंडोले
Kandole Saptami Vibhakti. Ahutavati. Chaturaha Balakan Mata Ahutavati. Chaturaha Balakan. This is Chaturaha is Ditya Vibhakti Prayogam for Chatvaraha. Chatvaraha Pradhama Vibhakti Pradhama Bahuvachanam. But Nicha Bahuvachanam. Chatura Shabdam 4 Gada. This 4 means more than 2. That's why Nicha Bahuvachanam. Ekavachanam, Divachanam will not be there for this. So only Bahuvachanam will be there. Chatvaraha is Pradhama Bhakti. Chaturaha Ditya Bhakti. Chaturaha Balakan. Karikrame Chatasraha Bhaginyah Samyak Karyam Kotavachyaha. This is Srilinga Rupam. Chaturdev Bhakti. Sorry, Bhaginyah, Pradhama Bhakti. Chatasraha Bhaginyah. Pradhama Bhakti Bahuvachan Rupam. So Chatasraha Bahuvachanam, Bhaginyah Bahuvachan Rupam. So similarly, Chatustrabihi Dhenubihi. This is Tritiya Bhakti Bahuvachan Rupam. Then Dvayoho Rukshayoho. Shashti Bhakti Divachan Prayogam. Dve Pupulinga Rupam. Dve Balike. Shashti Bhakti Divachanam Shrilinga Rupam. Dvau Balakau. Shashti Bhakti Divachanam. Pradhama Bhakti Divachanam. Dvau Balakau Vegena Dhavataha. This is Pradhama Bhakti Divachan Rupam. Dvau Balakau. So the words in color numerals, Sankhya note, but they have behave like a adjective Seshanani. They are in the same gender, linga, number, vachanam, etc. And all the linga, vachana, vibhakti, sarupyam is there. Then section 5. Now let us see the Pancha Balakaha Patanti. Here, Balakaha Pullinga Rupam. Pancha Pullinga Rupam Anukundam. Let us think this is Pancha Pullinga Rupam. Pancha Balakaha. Pancha Balikaha. Here also Pancha only. Pancha Phalani is also Pancha only. But Balakarikaha is Srilinga Rupam. Phalani, Napusaka Rupam. But Pancha is same in all the three. Why? Because there is no Linga Vedam in Sankhya after 4. Above 4, from 5 onwards, there is no Linga Vedam. For Pullingam, Strilingam, Napustakam, same. But 7 vibhaktis will be there. When you are using this in different vibhaktis, these are Pradhama Vibhakti here. But when you are using different vibhakti, you have to use different vibhakti rupam for this pancha. Similarly, Shat Chatraha, Shat Balikaha, Shat Pustakani, three lingas. Similarly, when you use in different vibhakti, they will be using different vibhakti. That I have shown here. Nagare Shat Mandirani Santi, Pradhama Vibhakti Prayogam. Dasesu Prakoshteshu, Saptami Vibhakti Bahuvachan Prayogam. Dasesu, Saptami Vibhakti Bahuvachan. Dasya Shabdasya, Saptami Vibhakti Prayogam. Prakoshta Shabdasya, Saptami Vibhakti Bahuvachan Prayogam. Dasesu Prakoshteshu. Dasesu Kathasu, Katha story, Strilinga Shabdam. Kathasu, Saptami Vibhakti Bahuvachan. Dasya Shabdasya, same. Here, Prakoshteshu also Dasesu only. Kathasu also Dasesu only. Because since Prakoshteshu is Pullingam and Kathasu is Strilingam, these things are not differing. Because Dasya doesn't have Linga Bhedam. Dasesu Prakoshteshu, Dasesu Kathasu. Shadbihi Mitraihi Saha Gatavan Saha. Mitraihi, Napuska Sabdam, Tritiya Bhakti Bahuvachanam. Shad Shabdasya Tritiya Bhakti is Shadbihi. Shadbihi, Sakhibihi. This is Strilinga Sabdam. But still, this is Shadbihi only. Mitraihi Napustakam, Shadbihi only. Sakhibihi Strilingam, Shadbihi only. Rupyakaihi, Rupyakam, Saptabihi. Malanam, Sashti Bhakti Bahuvachanam. Saptanam. Similarly, Ashtabhihi, Aksharaihi. Aksharaihi Sabdasya, Tritiya Bhakti Bahuvachanam, Ashta Shabdasya Tritiya Bhakti, Ashtabhihi. Like Varshebhya Panchabhya, Avanchabhya Varshebhya Saha Sankur Sevam Karoti. Last 5 years, the Sanskrit Seva is being done. Panchabhya means from the last 5 years. Panchabhya Varshebhya. This is Panchami Bhakti Prayogam. So Bhikshukaha Panchabhya Gruhebhya Bhiksham Praptavan. This is Chaturdev Bhakti Prayogam. So like this, when you use the words, numbers above 5, in any linga you use, Visheshan could be any lingam, but its number should be always in Bahuvachanam. It should be always in Bahuvachanam because above Pancha is all Bahuvachanam and always in a one rupa only in all the 3 lingas. No linga bedam, no Vachana bedam. Only Vibhakti bedam will be there above Pancha. Above 5 number, only Vibhakti bedam will be there. But up to 4, Linga bedam will be there. But Vachana bedam will not be there. Eka is always Nichya Ekavachanam. Dve is always Nichya Dvivachanam. 3 and 4 always Nichya Bahuvachanam. So for them, Ekavachanam, for Eka Sabdasya, Ditya Bhakti Prayogam, Tritiya Bhakti Pancham, Bahuvachanam, Dvivachana Prayogam, Bahuvachana Prayogam will not be there. For Dve Sabdasya, Ekavachana Prayogam, Bahuvachana Prayogam will not be there. For 3 and 4, Ekavachana, Dvivachana Prayogam will not be there. But 3 genders, 3 forms are there. We already learned that. So this is we have completed the Visheshana Vishesha Sarupya Sabdasya subject. Please read thoroughly. If any doubts are there, please ask me now. Already sent the lessons to you. Must have already read it. If there are no doubts, I will go to the next section. Is it clear to everyone? The Visheshana Vishesha Sarupyam. This slokam is, you may be better by heart this slokam.
Mahodaya, I think it,
Yeah.
if this Chatvari Pushpani, is it correct, Mahodaya?
Yeah, Chatvari Pushpani correct. Chatvari Eka Pradhama Vibhakti, Pushpani Pradhama. In Ditya Bhakti
Chatasraha Mahilaha.
Chatvari Pushpani.
चतस्रः महिलाः
चतस्रः महिलाः चतुरः बालिकाः द्वितीया विभक्ति बालकः बालकान् चत्वारः बालकान् चतुरः बालकान्
चत्वारः अध्यापकाः
चत्वारः अध्यापकाः करेक्ट
अध्यापकाः अस्तु महोदय।
चतुरः बालकान् दट इज द्वितीया विभक्ति चतुरः अध्यापकान् तृतीया विभक्ति
You is एकं द्वे त्रीणि
चत्वारः शब्दस्य
चत्वारि
द्वितीया विभक्ति is चतुरः don't get confused on this here
ओके किञ्चित्
चत्वारः शब्दस्य द्वितीया विभक्ति चतुरः don't get carried away with चतुरः
महोदय
चतुरः वृद्धाः don't carried away with that
महोदय एकं द्वे त्रीणि चत्वारि कृते विभक्तिरूपाणि सप्तमविभक्तिरूपाणि एकवारं ग्रूप्
प्रवेशपुस्तकं 11th lesson please read
अस्तु अस्तु महोदय
they are there very clearly written there
ओके
okay that 11th lesson is a gundikaya is a heart to Sanskritam every 11th lesson of all the 4 levels of Sanskrit Bharati book is heart of the subject what you are learning. If you cannot understand that 11th lesson properly, you cannot proceed further. You have to digest it. Digest means not by hearting blindly, understanding it thoroughly. That is very important. Every 11th lesson of each book is to be thoroughly understood. Then only you will be able to apply in sentences. Otherwise, you cannot apply in sentence. And second thing is to understand the sentence formation, what it is contained, karta, karma, kriya, how it contains, what is the relation between these three. This concept should be very clear. If you understand these things, then automatically sambhashanam kartum shaknoti. Yadi avagahana samyak na bhavati, bhavataha संभाषण प्रयोगं न वर्धते पुनः पुनः बहुवारं अहं वदामि एकादशपाठः प्रवेशपुस्तकस्य अत्यन्त मुख्य विषयमस्ति पठनविषये अवगाहन सम्यक् कर्तुम् आवश्यकम् If you have got any doubts on that 11th lesson, please ask me anytime. Or put in the post. I will clarify. But without having that foundation, you cannot proceed further. Astu.
Okay.
Let us go to the next section, Supashitani. Ashaya ye dasaste दासा सर्वलोकस्य आशाया ये दासास्ते ये दासः अस्ते आशाया आशतो ఎవరైతే దాసః దాసులై ఉంటారో whoever is slave to asha whoever is slave to asha they will be slave to whole loka whole prapancham. That is the meaning of the first line. Ashaya, ye dasaste. For Asha, who is Ashayaha. This is Ashayaha, sorry, Shashti Vibhakti. Ashayaha, ye dasaste. For Ashas, for desires. Who is slave? That person will be slave for the whole world. Always will be working like a slave only. Either you take in the office or you take in the anywhere in the house. If you got a desire, you will have to obey the other man. You have to bow your head. No doubt. You cannot win over your point. Whatever other man says is right. That's all. In office, boss is right always. You cannot argue with him. Unless otherwise he is a person who hears your words. If you feel that he is not hearing words, better to obey him. Otherwise, you will lose your promotion. That is your attitude, right? So what you are doing there? You are becoming a slave. If a boss says you do correction, I do it. Because I am become a slave to him. I am not going as per dharma. If I say dharma, he will send me out. But Asha Yesham Dasi, who win over Dasi, who win over Asha, who wins over desires. This philosophy. This whole our Vedantam says this only. Don't have desires. Once you discard your desires, Vairagyam, automatically get moksha. So Asha Yesham Dasi, whomever makes Asha as his Dasi, or whoever controls his desires, Indriya Nigraham, Tesham, for him, for them, Dasaste Lokaha. Dasayate Lokaha. Lokam itself will become Dasi. Why we are bowing down to a sannyasi? Vidishekarendra Chakravarti, hardly 20 years man or 25 years man. Why 70 years, 80 years, Pandits go and bow on his feet? Why they are doing it? Why we bow down 10 years Veda Pandit? Why we bow down, go and bow down to a Veda Pandit? We are respecting that Veda. Why we are bowing a sannyasi? Because he is left out desires. Resorted to the non-desired life. Moksha Margam. So that is the philosophy point of it here. Next. Sadhunam. This da is wrong here. Sadhunam. Sadhunam darshanam punyam tirthabhuta hi sadhuha. If you take a darshan of sadhu, it's a punyam itself. You don't need to do anything. Just see him, that's all. That will do. That is equal to going to a tirtha. Kasi tirtham, Ramasya tirtham, like that. Or a Pushkar tirtham, like that. Tirtha, because why? Sadhus are tirthabhutas. They are equal to tirthas. Sadhu means what? Apakarik and upakaram. Whoever helps the person who does apaharam, who does harm to him also, for him also he does help. That person is sadhu, not everybody. Just by giving donations or just by talking coolly, those things are not become sadhus. The person doesn't care whether you are helping or not helping or blaming or drawing, whatever good for the society, only he will do that. He is sadhu. That sadhu equal to tirthamota, equal to tirtham. Is as good as tirtham. Tirtham palani kalena. When you go to tirtham, we don't know when that tirtha phala will come to us. May come in this janma itself, may come in the next janma. We don't know which janma we are going to have this phalam as per karma siddhanta. But whereas sajja sadhu phala samagama. Because the sadhu is in the habit of helping the person who is in need. So the moment you go there, when he understands your problem, he will try to solve that problem. That is his nature. That person is sadhu. So sadhu is better than tirtha because he is giving immediate result. Angam galitam palitam mundam dasana vihinam jata tundam. Angam galitam. Here what you should understand is, you should understand how the words are being framed. Which vibhakti are being framed. Whether the Visheshna Sarupyas are being followed. All these things are to be studied. Please study those things, and if you have doubts, next class ask me. Angam kalitam palitam mundam. Dasana vihinam jata tundam. Angam galitam. The body's parts have become, they have become shrunk. lost all spirit. Palitam mundam, head has become grey. Dasana vihinam jata tundam, the dantas have gone. Dasana vihinam, dasana means teeth. Vihinam, not having. That's how jata tundam. Tundam has become. Jata, become. Tundam, tundam means mouth. Mouth has become like that, without teeth. Angam galitam, palitam mundam, dasana vihinam jata tundam. Urdho yati gruhitva dandam. Gruhitva dandam. Taking stick. Yati, chalati. Yati, gachati, chalati. Prayanam karoti. Kaha, vruddha. Vruddha has come to the stage of not even able to talk without a danda. At that stage also, tadapi, even then. Tadapi means even then. Na munchat asha pindam. Na munchat tyasha pindam. Na munchati asha pindam. Is a sandhi is there. The sandhis we will learn in future. Munchati asha pindam. Munchati means leaving. Na munchati, not leaving. Is not leaving. What is not leaving? Asha, the desire. But asha is not leaving. Though he is not capable of doing anything, still he would like to do something. Some anubhuti, some bhogam, he would like to enjoy. He doesn't think of God. He doesn't think of renunciating all these things, even at that stage also. Or helping somebody, doing good work, helping society. These type of things he will not work. He will always think self only at that time also. That is the problem with the human being for not achieving the moksha. At least at that stage, we should reconcile and come back to the reality, understand the reality of the life. Next. Dhanani jivanam chaiva parardhe prajna usujet. Dhanam and jivanam cha eva chaiva, cha plus eva chaiva, parardhe, for others, prajnaha, the intelligent people, usujet, they leave it. Intelligent people, prajnaha, the knowledgeable people, prajna, gnanam kaligina word, the people who have got gnanam. Prajnaha, visrujet, they leave it. What they will leave it? Dhanani jivanam. Even their money, their life, leave for the others, parardhe, for others. Sannimitte varam chago vinase niyate sati. When that is not going to, when that is going to die, that dhanam or jivanam is going to end shortly. What is the use of hankering for that? Sannimitte varam chago. When that is going to die, leaving is the best thing. Varam, great. It's varam. Sannimitte varam chago. Chagha is varam. The leaving the things. Vairagyam is your varam. If you go vairagyam, that will be the best thing for you. When the things which are not going to be permanent nature. The temporary things, leave it. Why you bother about those things? Even at the stage of end of the life. Next. Slokardhena pravakshyami yaduttam grandhakotivihi. In half slokam, pravakshyami, I will tell. Yad uttam, whatever is told, grandhakotivihi, in koti grandhas, all scriptures, all Sanatana Dharma scriptures, what it says, I will tell in half sloka. Who told this? Who has got guts to say this? The person who has written Mahabharata. The person who has written 18 Puranas. The person who has written Bhagavatam. The person who has written Brahma Sutras. The person who has created Bhagavad Gita and Mahabharata. That person is telling this. What he is telling? Paropakara punyaya papaya parapidanam. The Sukshma Dharma. The main Dharma is on these things. The greatest truth also, if it is going to, by telling truth, if it is going to help adharma, that is parapedana. The smallest jhoot also, the greatest jhoot also, if that is helping to protect dharma, that is parahitam. But what is the rule we have? Satcham vada. Yes, Satcham is to be told. Satcham is much punyam than 1,000 sons also. Having so many, constructing so many temples also. Constructing so many wells in the society. And all those things, Satcham is great. But even then, with that Satcham, when you say, if something harm is happening to the society, or something is happening to a dharma karya, helping a Arvind karya, that Satcham is wrong. So Satcham is papahetu. Similarly, by telling a small lie, if you can protect dharma at a particular instant, particular time, that small lie is also a great help to the society. So we have to be judgy. We have to judge properly. What is dharma? What is adharma? That doesn't mean you go on telling lies. That doesn't mean you go on not telling truth. It's not like that. But understand this fine thread between dharma and adharma. Dharma depends on 3 sections. A person's status, a person's position, status, position, place where he is doing that dharma, and time, at what time he is doing dharma. Any dharma pravachanam depends on all the 3 things. The dharma is to be attributable or adaptable to these 3 things. If they don't suit these 3 things properly, that dharma is not a dharma. That's not correct understanding of dharma. So dharma is very easy to understand, very subtle to understand also. So should be very careful in deciding the work what I am doing is going to be having a ultimate result of parahitam or parapeda. What it is going to help the work I am doing now, that is to be seen. So paropakaraha punyaya. Paropakaram is punyam. Papaya parapedanam. Parapedanam is papa. So now let us close here. The other things you please read. If time is there, next class I will tell. 5 I completed, another 5 are there. Okay. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahana Bhunaktu Sah Viryankarvavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu Mahavidvishava. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Satcham Vada Dharman Chara Sarve Jana Sukhno Bhavantu Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Sri Krishna. Sure.
Thank you, Prabhakar Rao garu. If anyone has questions, they can raise the hand and ask the question. I think there are no questions. Babu garu, we can go for Prarthana.
అంతా క్లియర్ గా అర్థమయ్యేలా చెప్పారండి గురువు గారు, అందుకని ఎవరికి ఏం క్వశ్చన్స్ డౌట్ రాలేదు.
Very nice. Thank you.
Okay. 1 minute. We go for Prarthana. Vasundhara garu, please.
प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महीमहीषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु काले वर्षतु पर्जन्यः पृथिवी सस्यशालिनी देशोऽयं क्षोभरहितो ब्राह्मणाः सन्तु निर्भयाः अपुत्राः पुत्रिणः सन्तु पुत्रिणः सन्तु पौत्रिणः अथनास्तथनाः सन्तु जीवन्तु शरदां शतम् सत्यं वद धर्मं चर स्वाध्यायान्मा प्रमदः सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः सर्वे जनाः सुखिनो भवन्तु स्वस्ति
ధన్యవాదములండి వసుంధరా గారు.
Now, వెంకటనారాయణ గారు గీతం.
వెంకటనారాయణ గారు ప్లీజ్. He has already recited. Let us go for Janagana Mana, please.
Okay.
one Subhashitam, sir.
ఓకే
సార్
చాలా చెప్పారు.
ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పాను కదా సార్ అది.
already చెప్పేశారు, మర్చిపోయారు.
బాబు గారు నేను ఒక సుభాషితం చెబుతున్నా.
Only one sloka or how many slokas?
Only one.
Okay.
పరోపకారార్థం ఫలంతి వృక్షాః పరోపకారార్థం వహంతి నద్యః పరోపకారార్థం దుహంతి గావః పరోపకారార్థం ఇదం శరీరం.
అంటే అర్థం ఏంటండి?
అంటే వృక్షాలు పరుల కోసమే పండ్లు పోస్తాయి, నదులు పరుల కోసమే ప్రవహిస్తాయి, ఆవులు పరుల కోసమే పాలిస్తాయి, మన శరీరం కూడా పరులకు సహాయం చేయడానికే.
చాలా బాగుంది, ధన్యవాదములండి. ఓకే, నౌ లెట్స్ గో ఫర్ జనగణమన ప్లీజ్.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जय हिंद.
జై హింద్. ధన్యవాదములండి చల్లా చిట్టిబాబు గారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. నౌ ఐఎమ్ క్లోజింగ్ ద